Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, May the 20th, 2023 is actually today, Sunday. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 1-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time for the Tectonic, and number 6469. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 11 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits, but this one has 11. And this one is indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes, no, triple boxes, a lot of triple boxes. Here, triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. The 2 and the 3 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So this box should be 4 or a 5. Here also, a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. We have a 4 there, so it can be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Here another triple box, the inside box 4 or a 5, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another triple box. This box should, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3 are missing. Do we have more triple boxes? Nope. Next question, quadra boxes. Here we have a quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, and 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. Here also the quadra box, and those numbers could be everywhere also. So next strategy is to recognize recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape, this T shape upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape upside down, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, the T shape here, another T shape. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 or a 5. And that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 3 here. Okay, more T shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Mirrored. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes here? Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, only 2 shapes that you need to recognize. Yeah, maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So these 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. All right. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 2, 2. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So these 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. And these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Well, it can't be a 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there. So this box should be a 1 and that box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with a 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Okay. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left with 3 in this quadrant box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 there. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 should be here and the 4 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. This box can be a 1. And that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. And those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So and that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. Let me mark those. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These, wait. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because we need a 4 in this area. If I place a 4 here, these 3 boxes can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. We need a 4. So this box should be a 5 then. Is connected with that box should be also a 5. Then I cannot place the 4 here because we need a 4 in this W area shape. If I place a 4 there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 3 boxes. So this box should be a 3. But we need a 3 here also. Wow. Did I make a mistake? Did I make the mistake here? This is not good. This is also not good. Not good. 1, 2, 3. 4 and a 3. Did I made the mistake here? No 2 here, no 2 there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2 and this box should be 5. 10 minutes pass. Well. So there is something wrong here. Still, this should be a 5 because I cannot place the 4 here. It's 4 or a 5. If you place a 4 here, these 3 boxes can be a 4, but also those 2 boxes can be a 4. Definitely a 5. Oh, wait. Here also, this box is connected with that box should be also a 5. So here we should 4 and a 3. 4 and a 3. Well, must be something here. This is the wrong. This should be 2 or a 3 here. Made a mistake. 2 or a 3. Okay. So 2 or 3. So this box can be a 3 and more. That box should be a 3 then. So 1 box left. This should be a 4. But then I made a mistake here. 4. Well, need a 4 here or there. I think should be there then. Yeah. It's the one way. If I place the 4 here, then no. I think I switched those numbers. All right. So these two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Okay, so here this should be the 4 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because we need a 4 here. So this box should be a 4. This box should be a 5. Okay, so 2 numbers left here, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes, so 1 and 5 can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left with 2 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this koala box should be here. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. This box can be a 2. This box can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes together as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 4. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now. So this box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. Okay. These 2 and 3 boxes. These 3 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 and 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Wait. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2, because I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Yeah, can be this box can be a 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there, finishing 15 minutes, almost 16 minutes. Well, made a small error here, otherwise I will give this 1 star, so let me give this a 2 stars. But we solve again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.